Okay, theoretical basis for public relations. A theory is a prediction of how events and actions are related. There is no single theory that covers all the public relations and communications. There are theories about relationship, five about cognition and behavior, and two about media and the communication. Theories help practitioner explain uh, and predict human behavior and communication and guide organizational decisions making. So, a PR practitioner requires a set of theories to use and refine in the applications of professional skills and the task of executing PR strategies. So, the theory is a prediction of how events and actions are related to each other. Using theories can be make campaigns and a message more effective, so that the more supportive of accomplishment of organizational goals by using these theories. Uh, system theory. System theory is especially used to public relations because it helps the practitioner manage the organization's relationships. The theory emphasizes interdependence between an organization and its internal and external environments. System theory essentially works from the premise that publics like customers, employees, and neighbors all form a kind of social environment for the organization. And like the physical environment, the social environment is always changing. So that's why system theory is applicable. So this theory emphasizes interdependence between an organization and its internal and external environments. So according to the system theory, every organization is a part of a system with the components that organization, its public and its goals. So the ultimate organizational goal is survive. So survive in the market. So theories of relationship, closed system focuses on the history of the organization and its make decision based on the past experiences. So whatever previous uh, activities has done the organization, based on that or based on the past experiences, organization will make the decisions. So open systems means focuses on input from the external publics and the organization's external environment. So the external publics can be the shareholders and community peoples. They are the external publics for the organization. And the external environment, what are the new challenges are happening in the external environment that can be considered. Situational theory, people will act on issues or a situation when they believe it affects them personally and their actions can make a difference. So, three variables of the situational theory are problem recognition, constraint recognition, or level of involvement. So, the problem recognition, people must be able to see the potential of an issues to affect them personally. So which are the issues directly affecting to the persons directly, so they will just recognize those uh, effects or those problems. So the constraint recognition means people must see that they can do something about the issues. And levels of involvement, people must care about the resolving the issues. The cognition and behavior, cognitive theories deals with the thought process while behavioral theories deal with the action. Public relation practitioners find it useful to think about effects, how their clients' behavior affects others.